व्हाट्सअप गाइज, मेरा नाम है रौनक और मैं हूँ पेरिस में एक स्पेशल गेस्ट के साथ जिनका नाम है नीडल्स फ्रॉम मेड रूट्स, हु इज गोना टीच यू हाउ टू बिल्ड योर क्रम्प रॉन्ग. सो लेट्स गो.
Hi everybody, Needlez, Sister G, Lady NY, Mered Roots, Giddy Fusion. Okay, now we're gonna talk about how to make the difference between session round, battle round, tournaments and lab rounds. So for example, when I'm at home, to me in my lab, in my own lab, because when I want a real character, so to me when I stomp, it's like when I want to show to the people that I'm here, like boom, it's the way to show that I'm here. You see the stomp. When I breathe like this, it's about my power. It's about how I show my power, like boom, boom, with my chest pop. And this is for how I talk, like this, boom, how I express myself. So in your lab, you have to get this in your head, like why I stomp, why now. So you have to make sure how you stomp, how you make your chest pop now, how you use your arm now, why like this, why like this. Be credible, be sure, be confident in your round. I'm gonna show you something. For example, I'm gonna give you a topic. It's about donne-moi un sujet vite fait.
Un sujet?
Ouais.
Un personnage?
Ouais.
Spider-Man.
Okay. So now you are Spider-Man. So you have to be real. So he is Spider-Man. So he's in his lab. So he has to be real. So not only. So he's gonna show you how he did it.
Whoa!
He's shy. He's very shy.
Whoa!
But you can see, he tried to find ideas. It's not only this and this, he tried to find idea. So when you lab, you have to take the time to find any idea. So what I can do with this character, for example, Spider-Man, but you can use all you want. So we're gonna put a little music and we're gonna explain you right now how to make session rounds. So session rounds, it's about first you can't back in the days and sometimes it's bug. You can jump in the session and just get off. It's the best session, but not a lot of people still dance like this. So now, if you want to introduce yourself in session rounds, you have to start quickly, very calm. You have to take your time. Take your time of your character. Take your time of introduce yourself because people don't know you. So you have to introduce yourself. So if you just go like this directly, people just see this. So you have to introduce yourself, like boom, as you want with your character and use your character. Are you real? Your character, is it real or fake? So that's why when you start your round, you have to start calm. Introduce yourself, boom, boom, boom. After your round go up, you can create something. You have to create something, like maybe with the material, with the kill-offs and everything. And after you can just boom, boom, make a kill-off and okay, no. You have to start, dance. So dance, use your dance. Okay, Krump, but use your dance too. Like boom, try to dance, really dance on the music. Boom, boom. Okay? You have to dance and after you have to get off. You have to make the point, the final point of your round. So at the end, normally people supposed to get higher in their round.
Oh. That's in family.
Yeah. Parivar is not only the word. I wanted to write it in Hindi because it means a lot. Because Indian just have a big heart. So thank you for what you do for India. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody.
Oh,
Thank you for
thank you so much.